everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Facebook account completely private on your mobile phone. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile. Now click on your profile to go to your profile page. Here, tap on your profile picture and click on Turn on the Profile Picture Guard. Then, click Next and save it. Now, click on the three dots and select Turn Professional Mode Off. Then, click Continue and press the Turn Off button. Here, you need to click on Review Default Settings. You will see three options. Public. Every profile visitor can like and comment on your posts, videos, and reels. Friends. Only your friends can interact. Custom. You can manually set access for specific things. I will select Custom and click Next. Here, you can adjust the settings according to your preference. I am also making some changes to my settings. After that, click Done, and then click Done again. Now, for the last step, click on the three dots and select Lock Profile. Then, click Lock Your Profile again. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now completely private. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.